I, Putta Mahesh Kumar Radav, have been elected member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of the God that I will bear the truth, faith and allegiance of the Constitution of India as by the law established, that I will uphold sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Question number 85, Putta Mahesh Kumar.
Respected sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity of raising supplementary on the important topic. I thank you, Honorable Finance Minister, focusing on the importance of the employment, announcing employment like gate towards our youth. They make up more than 1/5 of our total population. The previous state government of Andhra Pradesh from 2019 to 2024 failed our youth miserably, leading to our state having consistently high percentage of unemployment as compared to the national average. Our leaders, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu and Nara Lokesh Garu, having strongly supported the need of skill-based census to determine the ability of our youth accordingly to devise policy for their employment and skilling. I like to know from the Honorable Minister whether the Union government would consider conducting a skill census for the entire nation for the benefits of our fresh graduates, young professionals and our youth along with the population of census. People of Elur for giving me this opportunity to stand here and speak about the grants and the railways as their person. Sir, thanking Prime Minister, Finance Minister and Railway Minister on behalf of Telugu Desam Party, Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu and Nara Lokesh Garu, we welcome this budget and fully support it. Sir, Modi 3.0 in Bharat and CBN 4.0 in AP is a blessing to the people of India and Andhra. Visionary leaders working together will surely create blueprint for Vikasit Bharat. Sir, train has been part of our life. Like everybody traveled in train for their tour or even for their functions or economical reason, whatever it is, the train has been part of our culture and it is a part of our life. So, sir, train in Andhra Pradesh, if you see, in YSRCP government, the train budget was given to Andhra also, but never used the train facilities to be given. Whatever the land acquisition in Andhra Pradesh in 2019 to 2014 was not given. Because of that, lot of construction in Andhra Pradesh of railways was not constructed, was not taken care of those projects further also. Sir, today, India government is developing railway infrastructures like railway stations as airports also. We appreciate it, sir. People of India also appreciate it. We can see a rapid pace growth in development over the last 10 years, sir. To go from laying 4 kilometers tracks in from 2014 to 2015, now 14.5 kilometers track per day is laid. Almost 4x is been increased, sir, from last 10 years. And, sir, electrified trains more than doubled the total routes within 10 years from 21,000 kilometers in 2014 to now 41,655 kilometers is in 2024. Sir, Vande Bharat train, almost 102 Vande Bharat trains are running in country, sir. Today, even trains is running in my constituency also, sir, in Elur constituency. I asked for the stopover at Elur, which is the major junction of in the whole parliament. I have given the request to the minister also, sir, to alert one stopover at the railway station at Elur. Our country has total railway length of close to 126,000 kilometers as of now, and currently we are one of the largest rail network in the world. And I am confident that it will become the largest in the world under leadership of Modi ji and Railway Minister ji. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh has a long and deep connected with Indian Railways. I thank the government for allocating 9,150 crores for development of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Thank you, sir. I especially want to thank the central government for allocating 2,000 crores for special railway line for Amravati also, sir. Sir, Amravati in this 5 years was ignored. The farmers have given 30,000 acres freely to the government. After that, this YSRCP government came into the power. Then they destroyed this Amravati. Today, sir, we are very confidently telling that today our capital is Amravati for Andhra Pradesh. For that, even railway minister also has helped us to give us this 2,000 crores for special railway zone, railway line to Amravati, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, another important project for the AP is the South Coastal Zone headquarter in Vizag, sir. This also, sir, you have mentioned in the last time in the house that the land was not given by YSRCP. They were not responded in these 5 years. In the last 5 years, they didn't respond, sir. We are promising you, sir, we will ensure that land is allocated at the earliest, sir, and request Minister to speed up the construction and operations of the zone, sir. An important request is to do, sir, the railway recruitment for the reason through this headquarters only will be better, sir. We request that also from your side, sir. The government has upgraded 73 stations in Andhra Pradesh as Amrut station, sir. On behalf of people of Elur, I thank government recognizing Elur station under this scheme, sir. Please speed up the work and finish, as many people are waiting for this development for long period, sir. This development also we are looking forward to finish as soon as possible, sir. The railway minister mentioned that there are 40 infrastructure projects under process in AP, sir. As I mentioned before also, because of the land acquisition or whatever the previous government didn't do, sir, because of that the projects were not gone forward, sir. Now everything will be cooperating with you, sir. Sir, see that all the projects are being completed, sir. There are projects which is very much been asked from last 20 years, sir, which is Kottapalli Narsapuram railway line, sir. It's been 20 years waiting, sir. We request that line also to be finished as soon as possible, sir. Vijayawada Godur railway line, sir. Bhadrachalam Kovur railway line, sir. Request on behalf of people of Elur, sir. New railway line from junction to Nujividu junction, sir. That is also the new line which Elur people are asking, sir. It's been also given for the representation in the previous also, sir. Yes, sir, concluding, sir, I hope considering giving for welfare of the women, the early elders and Divangi and individuals, I thank Speaker for giving me this opportunity, sir.
कमेटी बना करके करा ली जाए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Sir, thank you, sir, to give me this opportunity to speak on my constituency, which is, there is a project, Poloram project is in my constituency, sir, which is very close to our hearts of Andhra Pradesh. Sir, I thank Prime Minister ji, Finance Minister ji and Jal Shakti Minister on recognizing Poloram project, the importance for our nation food security. Sir, this project was started to build in 1940, sir, and the project was planned to construct in 1980, sir. The project was almost completed 72% in 2014 to 2019, sir. After that, there was a floods which was in 2020. After that, this project didn't go further, sir. Now this project we should construct this project, sir. This is a dream project of our Andhra Pradesh, where this project will providing benefits of 6 different states, providing 960 megawatts hydrogen power plant and irrigation close to 10,70,000 acres, supplying drinking water to 28 lakh people across 540 villages, ensuring 23 TMC of water for industrial and domestic use in Visakhapatnam, sir. In center NDA and in the state TDP government, we should be able to finish this project as soon as possible, sir. Sir, people of Andhra are waiting that this project will be finishing from last 40 years, sir. This project, I ask जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर को भी हम इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं सर, ये प्रोजेक्ट
Thank
आने
you.
के लिए एक
Thank
बार
you.
विजिट करने के
श्री
लिए
प्रद्युत बोरदोलाई जी।
उधर थोड़ा ये प्रोजेक्ट खत्म करने के लिए जल्दी
ठीक।
इरिगेशन जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर को भी आने के लिए हम बोल रहे हैं सर, हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है सर। अनदर सर one last 2 points sir, releasing all necessary funds for the completion of Polavaram project sir, and expediting all necessary approvals regarding of infrastructures and R&R package sir, which is these two
Kindly
are very
conclude.
important to
Kindly
finish
conclude.
this project sir.
Kindly
Sir,
conclude.
ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎంతో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సార్,
ఆల్రెడీ
మా రాష్ట్రంలో అందరూ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందని. సో ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తొందరగా కంప్లీట్ చేయాలని మీ తరపున అడుగుతున్నాం సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Question number 241, Shri Putta Mahesh Kumar.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 241 सर.
माननीय मंत्री जी,
एक विवरण सभा पटल पर रख दिया गया है।
माननीय सदस्य,
सर as per scheme is useful for the agriculture sir, agriculture sector sir. In recently in agriculture 7 incubation centers has been given in Andhra Pradesh sir. We are having 25 districts in Andhra Pradesh sir. In 25 districts we are having only 7 incubators sir. Another thing sir,
Please, Mani
we are
sir,
having
please.
in Elur
Mani-
district, in Elur district there are lot of palm oil farmers sir. There are almost 1 lakh farmers of palm oil sir. If these incubators are set up in even in Elur constituency, this will help these palm oil farmers also sir. I request you honorable minister, if it is possible to set up even in the palm oil farmers in the Elur also sir.
माननीय स्पीकर महोदय, माननीय सदस्य की जो इच्छा है कि जिला में और व्यवस्था की जाए, उस पर हम लोग विचार करेंगे।
माननीय सदस्य,
Sir, again, sir, in Elur constituency only, sir, there is a Polavaram project which we are constructing in Elur constituency. It is in Polavaram is in Elur constituency only, sir. Sir, here what is happening, sir? Rehabilitation people are leaving the place from here because water is coming in, sir. Because of that, these all 1 lakh, here also 1,20,000 people are relocating from there to some other places, sir. They are going to have, they should find a new job or new culture or new setup for their livelihood, sir. Even if you are able to set up this incubation even in the Polavaram area also, this will help them to get jobs, especially for youth sector, sir. If you consider that also, it will be helpful for us, sir. That is our major request in Polavaram also, sir. This is my request, sir.
स्पीकर महोदय, बात सही है कि हमारे MSME जो योजना है उसमें विशेष करके प्रधानमंत्री जी के निर्देश के आलोक में युवाओं के लिए और महिलाओं के लिए विशेष प्रयास किया जा रहा है। और इस परिस्थिति में माननीय सदस्य ने जो प्रश्न किया है उस प्रश्न को हम लोग संज्ञान में लिया है और यथासंभव ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को इंगेजमेंट देने के लिए और उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी अफोर्ड करने के लिए हम लोग प्रयास करेंगे, ये हम उनको बताना चाहते हैं।